guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a get ready with me. I just kind of looked through all my drawers and picked out random products. I did this in the last video as well. I really just want to utilize all the products that I have. I have a ridiculous amount of products. I love makeup and I love testing new stuff out. I also declutter quite a bit and get rid of products as I get them. If I don't like them, I give them away to friends and family or return them if I end up not liking them. I do end up keeping a lot of the products that I buy, a lot. So I just want to go through. I really want 2019 to be the year where I utilize a ton of the products. I don't just get stuck in the same routine over and over again. I just grab products and use them, and I want to use up a lot more than I have been. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and you like these types of videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload. And if you want to get ready with me using random products throughout my vanity, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm just going to be finishing getting ready using some stuff I haven't used in a while. There's a couple super old stuff. There's a couple things I haven't picked out in a while. This is just gonna kind of be like a shop my stash, like going through picking random stuff I haven't used in a while. So my eyes are done. I did just film this look. If you want to see that, I will link it down below. But for primer today, I'm going to go in with two. I'm going to go in with the Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. And then I am also going to take the Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Primer. This is a smoothing primer. So I'm going to go in with this first. It's like a balm. I haven't really used that in a while. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of the Too Faced one because I am more dry, and kind of put that around the perimeters of my face. Probably would have been better to go in with a spray and then go in with this pore filler, but it's too late for that. For foundation today, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation, which I haven't used in a while, and I really liked it when I did use it. It's just been a long time. So this is in the shade Beige, which I'm hoping won't be too dark for me. And I'm just going to take that on my Morphe M439. So that was one layer all over, and I am just going over the top of that with my sponge because I normally like the finish of my sponge better. Gosh, I'm like waiting for my skin to clear up from this little breakout that I had. So I can still see some stuff on my cheeks. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Usually you can build it up to full coverage, but I don't feel the need to build it up today, so I'm just not going to build it up. For concealer, I'm going to grab the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I haven't used this in a while. I loved it. I bought it and I used it constantly. And then I'm trying to think what concealer I've been using like a lot lately, but I can't think of which one it was. I'm going to go in and do one side, and then I'm going to set it with the Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Setting Powder. And I am just using this BH Cosmetics No. 4 brush to set under the eyes. I really like these tapered brushes for setting under the eyes. And then using that same concealer to highlight the rest of my face, and then I will use the same powder to set the rest of my face as well. So next I'm going to contour. I'm going to use the Smashbox Holidays palette again. I really like this contour shade. that is in this one right here. I really like it. And this Luxie brush, this is the 680 brush. I really like this, and it's so funny because I thought it was so weird when I got it, but I actually love it. So I'm just gonna contour. Next, I am going to take this Eco Tools multitasking powder brush, and I'm going to take the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I did take this BH Cosmetics No. 4 brush that I used under my eyes, and I picked up the matte highlight shade in the Holiday palette, the Smashbox Holiday palette, and just put it under my contour a little bit to bake that. And then I'm gonna take the LA Girl Just Blushing blush, and this is in the shade Just Playful. These are really, really pretty. Really pretty, probably some of my most favorite blushes that I own besides my Tarte ones. These are the best. I need to wash brushes. I'm going to take this Morphe M530 and pick up this. It's nice because look at what it just toned down pink that is. It just adds the most beautiful flush, very natural flush to your cheeks. Like, look at the difference. I feel like it looks so good. It blends in seamlessly. The color is gorgeous. A little heavy on that, so I'm just going that over that a little bit with my powder brush. Make sure everything is really blended. I'm gonna go ahead and sweep away that bake. I am loving the way that my skin is looking right now. I'm really surprised. So I have not used the highlighters yet in this, so I am gonna use this. It looks like there are 6 highlighters, or the top 3 and the bottom 3. The middle row are all mattes. They're trying to think, because they all look pretty dark. Maybe I'll go in with this pinky one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with this pinky one right here, which is, okay, so this one is called Blow a Fuse Pearl. This one right here that I'm gonna be using. I'm just gonna grab my Morphe M510. If I don't mention, or if I forget to say the name of a product, everything is listed in the description box down below. Every product that I use and every brush. So that's pretty. It's really, I can't tell. It looks very glittery, which was my concern with this one because it kind of looks chunky. We'll see once I get it all the way on. I've never used Smashbox highlighters. Let me know if you guys have and what you think about them. I just have no opinion because this is the first time I've used the highlighter. Oh yeah. You see it's pretty chunky. Oh yeah, this is like glitter central. There's a lot of chunky glitter on this. I will say though, the rest of them don't look like as chunky. Oh goodness, I'm nervous. I feel like it's too glittery. Ugh, whatever. That sucks because I really was loving the way that my makeup was looking. Okay, so now I'm gonna spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. For lips today, I'm gonna start with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick in Kiss. Okay, and once I have that put on, I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution lip topper in Luxurious. I really like this lip topper. It is really pretty. I'm gonna go finish up my eye look and I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I love the way my base turned out today, holy cow. I don't know if I have just gotten better at making my base look good, but I feel like my base makeup for the last couple of weeks has just been looking so good. I'm super excited. I think that this base makeup looks bomb. I think it looks super good. I would totally wear this out again. All these products worked really good together. A lot of them I haven't actually tried together, so I'm surprised at how good everything looks. Like I said, I did film this eyeshadow look, so if you guys want to see that, I will link it down below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I upload 3 every week. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below with any products or looks you guys want me to try out, any suggestions for videos that you guys want to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.